Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Wonder Lash and Brow by Brazen Babe. It is 7.5 milliliters and it's an eyelash growth serum under the name of Wonder Lash and Brow by Brazen Babe, and it is scientifically proven to thicken and lengthen both eyelashes and brows. It is made in the USA, it's paraben free, non-GMO, gluten free, and bunny friendly, so we like that. No testing on animals, so that's a really great thing. So let's see, a little bit about this product. I've been using it for about 3 weeks or so. My brows have filled in. I haven't been plucking them. So I actually went and got my eyebrows done yesterday, and the girl said that my eyebrows looked fuller and she actually had to trim them down a little bit more. So that's good. The lashes look a little longer, so I'm happy with that. And so, you know, if you have short, stubby, weak lashes, this is a way to get that luscious, long lash, doe-eyed look pretty fast. There are 5 clinically tested USA-made lash serum ingredients that work in unison, supporting faster, longer, stronger, thicker, fuller lashes, and you'll start seeing results in days. I can vouch for that. I definitely have seen results in a few days. So yeah, and like I said, the girl who did my eyebrows yesterday told me that they were thicker, and I've kind of achieved an ultimate eyebrow, and this is part of it. So it's third-party tested, it's 100% natural, non-GMO, animal cruelty free, and it's formulated to balance and grow eyelashes with apple stems, fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, panthenol, which is pro-vitamin E, and again, it's free of gluten, color, fragrance, sulphate, parabens, and prostaglandins. So it can undo the damage that you've done with maybe overdoing your fake eyelashes and pulling out some of your regular lashes. You maybe have overplucked, you maybe have overwaxed. This will help stimulate the hair and lashes to grow. And so yeah, so you know, it's like glue that you use on eyelashes, tugging, suns, chemicals. They wreak havoc on your eyelashes and growth, and you don't have to worry. You can try this and it should work to bring them back. Like I said, I've seen results and I like the results, and I think it's a good price point and something you can actually throw in your bag. You want to put it on in the morning and at night, and I haven't had any irritation with my eyes or anything. So it has potency, power, and safety. You can grow gorgeous lashes and brows risk-free. They meticulously and continuously check every formulation for potency, power, and safety in the USA. It's FDA approved, and you can feel confident adding it to your cart knowing that you will see long, lush, faster growing lashes and a robust eyebrow. Guaranteed, or they will extend a full prompt refund, no questions asked. So the thing kind of pops out, let's see, hold on, like that, and it's just kind of like a lipstick or lip gloss, and that's basically it. You just put it on your eyelash line, you put it on your brow line, put it back in the container, and yeah, there we have the Wonder Lash and Brow by Brazen Babe, 7.5 milliliter, or 250.253 fluid ounces. But you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try this product out.